we are taking a look at the Pohaku Multi-Tool. Let's open the box and see what we've got. All right, first we have a nice cloth case with the belt loop, button fastener. Now we have the tool itself. You can kind of see how big it is in my hand. Now I have kind of big hands, but it seems to be a good length. What's that, about maybe somewhere between 4 and 6 inches, somewhere in there? I'm horrible at judging things like that. Okay. Seems to be a relatively good size. And now we have, right here we have a button that's meant for your thumb to pull out the blade. So if you hold it in your hand, be careful you don't put your fingers in front of the blade. And there you go. You can open one-handed. Now that's a nice looking blade. The bottom half of it is serrated. Comes very sharp. Yeah, that's a nice blade. Now if you notice here, you have a bit of metal there with some grooves in it. That's what you press to get the blade to come down. All right, let's open this guy up and see what we've got. Okay. So if you open it from this direction, now we have the pliers. They are spring loaded, and they're actually quite strong. When I get it to the fully closed position, even with a lot of extra force, it does not give very much at all. As you can see, there's just a little bit of a give to it, but not much. And that tells me that these pliers are actually going to be pretty darn strong. All right, let's see what else we've got inside here. Okay, so we had the knife there in the first position. Next we have, all right, there's your saw blade. And next we have what appears to be, I believe that's a rope cutter right there. The inside part of that blade is what's sharpened. And next we have, so it's a little flat-headed screwdriver, as well as a little bottle opener. And then I believe we have one more, and that's a file. Not exactly sure what that back end part is. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. And I think that is everything in the knife. Let me double check. Yes, that is everything that's included. Knife itself has a nice silver finish, the version that I've got. It's definitely got some heft to it. Everything opens smoothly, but not overly smoothly. There are some star-shaped screw heads, so if you wanted to tighten or loosen this up a little bit, you could definitely do that. I think this is going to be a great everyday carry kind of item. I like it. The quality seems nice, and certainly the price definitely is as well.